Today we are going to continue this chapter, third chapter, Materials in Our Daily Life, part 4, on page 49 and 50. The main concepts are plastic and its properties and also its uses and how to conserve the nature, that is environment. Polyethylene is a plastic. It is made by monomers of ethene. Its monomer is ethene. The structure of ethene is like this: C2H4. It can be written as C2H4 or CH2 double bond CH2. Many such monomer ethene join to form polyethylene. This is the structure of polyethylene. Polyethylenes are non-biodegradable substance. It does not soluble in water. They are thermoplastic polymer. That is what it can be molded it again and can be made it into any shapes. Moreover, they are insulators. Polythenes are used to make carry bags and tapes, and also it is used as an insulator for electric wires. The other kind of plastic is PVC. It stands for polyvinyl chloride. It is also prepared by polymerization of vinyl chloride. This is the structure of monomer vinyl chloride, C2H3Cl. It is also thermoplastic material. Certain uses are: it is used to prepare PVC pipes, electric wires, and also for making soles of shoes. The next type is polystyrene. The monomer of polystyrene is styrene. It is also thermoplastic. Polystyrene is a transparent material. Its uses are: it is used for making cups, toys, household articles. It is also used for making thermocol and some insulating materials. The next type is Teflon. Its monomer is tetrafluoroethene. This is a structure of tetrafluoroethene monomer, C2F4. It is used for making non-stick cookware and also it is used in chemical industry as corrosion-proof coatings. The next type of plastic, bakelite, is a thermosetting plastic. Once it is molded, cannot be remolded again. It is considered to be a permanent material. So it will not become soft or will not be melted on heating. That is the reason it is used to make electrical switches and plugs. Other uses are making gear wheels and tabletop laminates as well as making comb, fountain pen bodies, etc. The next type of thermosetting polymer is melamine. It is very hard and highly polished polymers which is used to make unbreakable kitchenware. Here are the certain uses and properties of different fibers. You have to go through it and learn. Here comes the important concept: how to conserve our environment. Since the plastic is a non biodegradable substance, it is considered to be an important pollutant which causes pollution to our environment. Thus, it has to be reduced by reducing the usage of plastic and recycling the plastic and reusing the plastic. Here are the steps that help to save our environment. Shoppers are encouraged to use cotton bags instead of using plastic. We have to avoid using plastic. Instead, we can use paper bags. Plastic materials cannot be thrown. Instead, we can go for recycling the plastic and reusing the plastic. Plastic pollution is a serious problem to us because it blockages the drains and sewer lines. It reproduces percolation of water into the soil. Burning of plastic causes many respiratory problems because it eliminates poisonous gases. So we have to say no to plastic bags. Try to use cotton bag or jute bag. It's our duty to keep our environment clean. Thus, we have to follow some good habits that make our friendly environment.